Hello, Casper. Pretty girl. Got palm extract over your face. Ooh. There she is, she's 6 months old tomorrow. Can't believe how quickly that's gone. Hey, gorgeous. Hello. Oh, can I have kisses? Can I have a kiss? Oh, thank you. Pretty girl. Pretty Casper. Pretty girl. Just shut this door because our washing machine's going off now. Pretty girl. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty girl. Pretty Casper. Pretty Casper. And noisy budgies. Noisy budgies, look. Oh. There they are. Pretty girl. You pretty? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? You've gone all quiet now, have you? Have you gone all quiet? Hello. Say hello. Hello. Pretty masks, aren't you? Pretty Casper. Oh. Oh, you stretch. Pretty girl. So it's Casper, 6 months old tomorrow. Getting noisier and messier by the day, aren't you? Aren't you, monkey? Aren't you, monkey? Your head rub? Oh, head rub, darling. Oh, good girl. She's still soppy and loves her cuddles. Don't you? Yeah, you do. Good girl, darling. Good girl. There you go. You tired? Ooh, stretch. Stretch. She's been losing a few of her tail feathers as well, so I don't know whether she's having her first molt. I don't think so, because none of her flight feathers or that are coming out, but I think she's just getting rid of her baby red tail feathers and getting out adult ones. Pretty girl. There's Casper.